Perlisten R5t tower speakers. This is a brand we've been waiting to get our hands on. We're going to do a product unboxing for you today. We're super excited to get started with these guys because this is a brand which everyone's been waiting for a long time now. We first heard about them about 2 years ago, and the makers or founders of this brand are audiophiles to the core. They have really spent their quality time working on these speakers to introduce the best build quality, some patent pending characteristics, and speakers are supposed to be the end game of the listening experience, as in you won't need to upgrade your speakers anymore after listening to these guys. So let's see how real this is and how good they sound. Let's get them unboxed and let's get them hooked up and start listening to them.